Hi all, welcome back to Maths and Physics class of JB. Today we are going to study an important topic in physics, that is about electromagnets. So first of all, mainly there are two types of magnets. One is permanent magnet and the second is temporary magnet. What is a permanent magnet? Permanent magnet will be made up, permanent magnet is actually an object made up of a material that is magnetized and it will have its own permanent magnetic field. On the other hand, temporary magnet will act as magnet only in some occasions. The electromagnet belongs to the class of temporary magnet. Okay. Simply, what is an electromagnet? Electromagnet is nothing but a coil of wire wound around a iron bar or iron rod. That means we are taking a certain length of a conducting wire like copper wire and we wound that or wrap that wire in the form of coil having n number of turns on a metal core. Normally the metal core will be an iron rod or iron bar or iron nail, something like that. Okay. And what we do is that we connect the two ends of this coiled copper wire to a battery. One end to the positive side of the battery and the other end to the negative end of the battery. And once the switch is on and when the current begins to flow through this conducting wire, this setup will act as a magnet. How is it possible? This electromagnet uses the idea, that means a moving charge will produce a magnetic field. What is the basic idea of the electromagnet? A moving charge will produce a magnetic field. So what happens when the electric current or electricity is passing through this coiled copper wire, a magnetic field is produced around that copper wire and it will act as a magnet. This electromagnet in the form of a coil is similar to a bar magnet. That means this electromagnet will have two polarities, that means north pole and south pole. One end will be north and the other end will be south. But the main difference of this electromagnet from the permanent magnet is electromagnet will be acting like a magnet only when the electric charge is flowing through it. Once the electric flow stops, there is no charge flowing through that copper wire and as a result there will be no magnetic field around that copper wire. So only when the electricity or electric charge flows through this coiled copper wire, it will act as a magnet. Otherwise, it will not act as a magnet. That's why we are calling this electromagnet as temporary magnet. Another idea is that if we increase the current or voltage through this coiled copper wire, we can increase the intensity of magnetic field. Also, if we are increasing the number of turns of this coiled copper wire, then also we can increase or strengthen the magnetic field. This electromagnet have many applications in our day-to-day life. We can make electromagnets of different strength and size using appropriate metal core and conducting wire. Okay, hope everybody has understood this topic. If anyone have any doubts, just comment in the inbox. I can clear your doubts with a new interesting topic. We can again meet in the next day with a new class. Thank you.